How to change template on your Wix website. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to edit the template of your website that you have already done. So in fact right now you cannot do it directly. In the past years Wix.com had this opportunity, but right now you cannot directly change already made website, the template in it. So I'm gonna show you the way how to do it. It's really easy to do and it's going to last you only 5 minutes of your time. So right now I'm going to show you how to do it by the example of my already using website. So as you can see, I have already made one. Just select and edit site if you have done one. So head to the dashboard of your website. Here you can see all your dashboard, all your settings of the website. You need to click to design your website. So right now not all the features could be replaced, and you cannot really copy and paste all your website into the new one, but I'm going to show you the trick. So here is our website, it's already made. So just click on pages and menu and you can see a lot of your pages. So as you can see, there are three dots into the website. So just click on it, and as you can see, here is the copy thing. So you need to click on it and copy. Here you can see another pages. You can copy the register page, but you cannot, for example, copy the shop. You can copy our story page. The blog you cannot copy. Customer service you can copy, and the gift cards you cannot copy too. So there are a couple of things that you cannot really copy. So if you want to use a new template for your website, just go to the site and create new site. By that you're going to see the templates. So here, setup without chat. Here you need to type in what type of website you're going to make. So online store, as you can see, I have an online store here, so I need to type online store here too. So it's preparing our dashboard. Right now we need to set up a new name for our website. I just will type a name as an example. So just an example, then click continue. I will skip all these things, so to save your time I'm skipping it all. Okay, so we are all set. Then click continue to dashboard. It's going to load in a couple of seconds, and the next thing you need to go to design your website. So click on design your website, and here you need to pick a template. So here will be a browser of the templates. As you know, Wix.com is offering us a lot of beautiful templates to choose from. So just choose by your heart the best option for you. For example, I really like this template. Just click on edit, and the editor's page is going to load in seconds. So just wait a bit for it to load, and we are going to see how to change the template of this website. So what we're gonna do is we're going to copy our pages into this website. So as you can see, we have here a home page, about page, portfolio, clients, contact, and shop. So we don't really need them right now, just need to wait a bit, couple of more seconds. So here, go to pages and menu. You have a home page here. So as you know, we have copied this home page. I'm just going to right click on the empty space right here, and all you need to do is to paste and apply site theme. So it is going to copy our home page from the last website, but with the new template. So some of the elements you copied from another site can be pasted on this site. So as you can see, the text is not really, but you need to edit it by your own. Make it bigger, for example, change the, so for example, font. Okay, so as you can see, we have copied this home page. As you can see, there is a skateboard. So all the images are copied. You just need to edit by your own and move to the pages and menu, and you can see copy of home. Just you can rename it as a home page 2. So you have 2 home pages. Just delete this one, delete, and it will be your new main homepage. So as you can see, we have a footer of our new template and the header. Oh, sorry, this is the footer and this is the header. So they are all brand new with the new template. So for example, let's copy one more thing, the register page. So let's see how it look here. So right here it is. So just click copy one more time and paste and apply with the side theme. So as you can see, it have been copied, but it's not what we are wanted to choose. So here you need to just edit by your own this subscribe page. Just add elements here with the, for example, the social payments. No, we don't need it right now. So I have made this with the app, so we can't see it right now here. So guys, I hope you have learned something from my video, and let's see the upgrade plans that Wix is going to offer us. Right now they have 50% discounts on their upgrade plans, and I wanted to show you those. So guys, just wait one more second for it to load. Okay, so as you can see, there are 4 upgrade plans. 3 of them are with the 50% discount. So this one is cost like a light one with the 50% discount. I would recommend you the business one. It costs 20 euro to grow your brand. It costs and the business elite one, it costs 89 euro. So guys, I hope you like my video. Please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.